जगत अपराध जगत होने के नाते वहीं पर भी काल के द्वारा विक्रम नहीं। विक्रम हम देखते हैं। मानते हो वो एक दिन आपके निकट क्या बनेगा, कांटे की मार लगेगा। जिस प्रकार आंख में एक कण रज धुल लग जाए, देखो आप बेचैन हो जाओगे है। आंखों से कितने आंसू की धारा प्रवाहित है, और रगड़ते 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 जब तक उसको निकाल नहीं दिया जाए तब तक आपके
even a small dust in your eye, you'll be so much disturbed and you'll be rubbing your
कहने की मेरा
eyes
तात्पर्य है
until that dust is not out of from your eyes will not be peaceful because it gives so much disturbance and something gets inside your eyes. So in this world, friends and enemies, everything happens according to your the influence of time.
दो लीला
So I told yesterday about two leelas in the Bhagavatam, which are called
कौन सा लीला?
Which leelas?
इंद्रजालिक लीला।
इंद्रजालिक लीला,
जादूगरी लीला,
जादूगरी लीला, like magic trick leela or illusionism leela. They are not true. They are not actually like really true, but we see that they happen. So one of leela was Mosha leela, Mahishi Haran leela.
किंतु ये सब लीला आदि करा करके भगवान जीवों की शिक्षा भी दे रहे हैं।
So all these leelas, through these leelas, Lord is teaching
इस जगत में हम जब रहते हैं,
until we are in this
कहीं
world,
कहीं काल विक्रम हम पर कराते रहे।
always that time will have some influence on us.
यहाँ तक भी मुक्त व्यक्ति भी संसार में रहे, वो
even the liberated soul, when he is in this material world, Maya can disturb him.
हो सकता है वो भी बंधन भी हो, बंध भी ले, मुक्त में भी
maybe he can even be bound.
बंधन में आ जाता है।
Even though he is liberated, he might be bound.
मुक्त पुरुष भी जगत में रहे,
the Mukta Purush,
माया
the souls, if they are in this world, Maya tries to bind them.
यहाँ पर मुक्त जीव जो है, साधन मुक्त जीव इस संसार में रहे, फिर पुनः उसको बंधन नहीं, माया के द्वारा बंधन हो जाता है। नित्य मुक्त जो नित्य वृंदावन से जो लोग आते हैं,
Mukta who comes from Goloka Vrindavana, Maya doesn't go to them.
किंतु इस जगत में जो साधन करके,
but those jivas who are doing sadhana in this world, and they are attain this liberation like
माया के
this,
चपेट में आ जाते हैं।
sadhan mukta jiv then can come to the like to the Maya's
तो इसी प्रकार इस जगत में कहने की तात्पर्य है, इस जगत में सभी जो है काल के विक्रम, काल के
clutches of Maya again. So everything in this world is under the influence of the time. Time makes everything happen in this world. We don't want to do something, this is true.
काल ही हमें सब करा देती है।
But the time makes us do everything.
भजन के विरोधी है, तो काम क्रोध क्यों आ जाता है? केना बलादपि,
even though like lust, anger, so many things are bad, why these things come?
यही प्रश्न भी पूछा है।
So Arjuna asked
this
question to Krishna, why I'm doing all these things, like why we do bad things although we know they are not good. So because the influence of the time, modes of nature like this, so the time makes somebody be your friend and makes someone be your enemy as well. So Bhagavan is doing this leela. So yesterday you heard how the Samba, he was in disguise of a woman,
लंबी करके घूंट खींच दी, और जहाँ पर संत महात्मा विराजमान
So
थे
somebody came
और
in
उनके
disguise
पास
of a
जाकर
woman,
के
pretending it was a
प्रणाम
pregnant
करके बैठ
woman
गई।
with like a
हैं?
fake belly and everything. So
और
he came to the
उनके
sadhus
मित्र लोग कहने लगे, देखो
and
ये
his
पहली
their
बार
friends,
बच्चा जन्म देने
their
वाला
friends asked to the saints, oh
है।
he's
उसके पेट में कुछ कपड़ा
because he
फंसा
was in
लेकर के
disguise
पूजा
of being a
करेगा।
woman. Okay, he was in disguise
ये
of being
बड़ा
a pregnant
नाजुक
woman.
भी है,
So
शर्मिला है,
oh she's so
हैं?
shy. The friends told the
नाजुक।
saints,
ये जानना चाहते हैं आप लोग तो त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि को,
but you are the rishis that know present, future and present.
द्वारकापुरी में जहाँ पर ऐसे
So please,
त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि
because in
बैठे
Dwarka
थे,
really there are so many
दुर्वासा,
rishis
वशिष्ठ,
like Durvasa and other rishis.
अनेकों जो है सब ऋषि लोग बैठे हुए थे,
Many kinds of
और
rishis in
उसमें जाकर के ये
Dwarka.
लोग
So they
हंस
came
परिहास कर
like Samba and his friends, like
उसमें
trying
एक
to
ऋषि
mock the
जब भी
saints, like
कौन ऋषि
pretending it
उनके
was a
साथ दिया,
pregnant lady,
पति नहीं कह रहे।
and that which
हो सकता है दुर्वासा ऋषि,
would be the sex of the
दुर्वासा जी
deity
के
of the
नाम
baby.
याद
They
है,
want to know.
दुर्वासा जी विराजमान थे।
So
क्योंकि
it's
श्रीमद्
not
भागवत में स्पष्टीकरण
explaining
नहीं
which
किया किस
rishi
ऋषि
gave
ने
the curse. In Bhagavatam doesn't say,
श्राप दिया उनको,
but Durvasa was also there.
है? तब उसको एक ऋषि ने उनको श्राप दे दिया, मूर्ख,
But one
संत
rishi
महापुरुष
gave
हंस
this
परिहास
curse.
करना चाहते,
Oh, you're
हैं?
foolish. You should not.
पुरुष के स्त्री वेश बना करके और आसन्न
You should not mock the saints like this.
करके आए।
You
ये
came
साधु
in
लोग
disguise
नहीं
of a
जानते।
woman, like pretending
हैं?
you're a pregnant woman and
साधु
asking
को
for the
परीक्षा
sex
लेना
of the baby. You want to test, like you want to make
चलो।
fun of the saint. You
इनकी
want
पेट से
to
क्या
like
निकलेगा?
try to challenge the saints or
मुसुल
something.
निकलेगा।
So what happened
उसी
is
से
from
इनके-
the belly of Samba, like this fake
यदुवंश
belly,
हमारा-
like which are only clothes, pretending it was a belly.
हैं?
It came a
इसके
muscle,
द्वारा भी त्रिकाल भी
iron
कहते हैं, बहुत साधु
ball,
है,
and then
वास्तव
from
साधु
this
नहीं
all
है।
the jadus were destroyed.
और वास्तव भी साधु भी है, कौन कैसे साधु है भी समझना भी
So to understand which kind of
भाई
person is
कलयुग
really
है,
sadhu or which
अच्छे
kind of sadhu is
साधु भी
very
है,
difficult. Because in Kali Yuga,
नकली भी साधु
you
भी
find real sadhus and also
है,
fake
नकली
sadhus,
साधु
like
आप जानते हैं।
bogus sadhu.
एक
In
नकली
Kali
साधु
Yuga.
वेश बनाया,
So,
घर में गए,
so one sadhu, one person was
और
pretending to be a
दरवाजा
sadhu and
खटखटाया,
went to someone's
एक
house
छोटी
and
साधु ने बाहर आया,
knocked the door and some
उनकी
chaste
पति
lady
बहन
came out.
चली गई।
Her husband
बोले-
was not in the house. And then
देख करके साधु बोले,
the
ठीक है,
sadhu saw
ए,
her.
वो पत्नी जो है, स्त्री जो है,
So this
साधु
woman,
के अच्छी तरफ से बैठा है,
she put the sadhu,
जलपान
like
कराया,
welcomed him and gave him water to drink, put
देखा
him
तो-
sitting in one place. Like she treated him
और
well.
साथ ही साथ क्या किया,
And
दक्षिणा भी दे दिया,
she gave donation to him,
दक्षिणा देकर
She-
देखते ही बस नकली साधु के हृदय ये हमें और भी
gave
तो लाभ
a nice
होता है।
donation and like
Yeah.
delicious things, and he was
बोले,
even
देखो, नकली
more
साधु कहने
salivating,
लगे,
like he was
देखो
greedy.
देवी,
And he told her, oh
Yeah.
Devi,
मैं त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि हूँ,
I'm a rishi who knows
मैं
present,
देख रहा हूँ।
future and present, and I know
ए, तुम्हारे ये घर
I'm
के आंगन
seeing
में है ना,
that in the
Yeah.
courtyards of your
300
house,
फीट नीच में
300
तेल
feet
का जो है
under
क्या है?
your courtyard,
खनी
there's
समझते
like a petroleum mine.
खान है, तेल का खान,
You know the petroleum oil,
Yeah.
you know oil, how do you say,
तुम
like
जानते हैं।
minaj petrol,
मैं देख
petroleum,
रहा हूँ।
like you know the oil is
300
coming from
मीटर
there.
नीचे में, नीचे तुम्हारे जमीन के नीचे में
So
तेल का
there is this
तुम तो नाम
oil,
कितने करोड़
you know the petroleum, like this oil under your courtyard. There's
है। क्योंकि वो देखा तो
like this. So
इतने पैसा दे दिया,
so she gave
Yeah.
so much money to him as
जिस साधु
donation.
के मिलता है
Oil
100
mine.
रुपया
There's an
नहीं
oil
मिलता,
mine.
उसके यदि जो
under
500
your
रुपया नोट
courtyard.
मिल जाए
So
तो कितना उल्लास होता है।
so if you get 500 rupees donation
हाँ,
and
जिसको
many
पाँच-
notes,
जिसको
you'll be
1000
so
रुपया
happy.
मिलता है, 10,000 रुपया
So if you
मिलता
get
है,
some donation of 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, you'll be so happy, isn't it? Like people get happy.
तो वो विचार करने
So
लगे,
this saint was thinking,
ये तो भली भाली स्त्री है,
she's a
इससे
simple
अधिक क्यों नहीं
lady.
दी?
So why don't I take more money from her if she's so
तो इसलिए कहने
she's so
लगे, देखो
simple-hearted,
बेटी,
isn't it? So the saint
Yeah.
actually was a fake saint. Saint told this woman, this chaste
मुझे
lady,
जो है,
a
कुछ
simple
भोजन
woman,
कराओ।
give me
बोला,
some
हाँ, हाँ,
food.
क्यों नहीं भोजन नहीं कराएंगे?
Yeah, why will not?
Yeah.
Wouldn't I feed
और
you? Of
दक्षिणा भी
course.
दे देना, हाँ, हाँ,
So she
अवश्य।
fed him more and also gave more money donation.
बताया। तो उन्होंने क्या कि वो सती नारी समझ
So
गई,
this chaste lady
ये लालची
understood
साधु
that
है।
he was a greedy sadhu.
मैंने इसको जो है 100 रुपए दिया,
Oh, I gave him 100 rupees only.
सब एक पैसा नहीं देता,
But he-
एक अठन्नी नहीं देते, मैं 100 रुपए दे दिया, इसलिए सोचने
I
लगे,
gave him 100 rupees.
इससे और अधिक क्यों नहीं?
So he wants to take more money from me. The
तो
woman
सोचने लगे,
realized.
भोजन करो। बड़े साधु जी देवता,
So
आप
she
बताइए,
said, oh
क्या भोजन
Sadhuji,
कराऊं?
oh God, like
सामान्य
demigod,
रूप में भोजन कराओ।
what do you want to eat? Then he said, just a
Yeah.
small, a simple thing.
अच्छा,
Okay.
उनके लिए बनाया,
So she prepared
चावल,
something
दाल,
for him,
सब्जी,
rice, dal, sabji, whatever.
भोजन करने के लिए बैठे।
and he sat down to eat.
तो वो साधु कहने लगे,
Then the sadhu
अरे
told,
तुम्हारे घर में क्या घी नहीं है?
there's no ghee in your
घी
house.
डाल दे तो अच्छा
Put
है।
some ghee, it will be nice.
तब वो सती नारी कहने
Then
लगे,
this chest lady,
है,
she told,
बड़े संत महात्मा,
oh saints,
है, आप दिव्य दृष्टि से
with your
300
divine
मीटर
vision,
नीचे
you saw that
मेरा
300
घर
feet
क्या है?
under the ground of my courtyard,
तेल का खनी
there's
है,
some oil
आप देखो
mine,
चावल के थोड़ा देखो।
and you can just open the
तो
rice
वो
and you
क्या
see
की,
that under this
असली में वो
rice,
स्त्री क्या की,
because this
साधु
woman,
के खाने के पहले चावल के नीचे घी
she
डाल
had
दिया।
already put some ghee under the
चावल
rice,
डाल दिया।
and she put the rice on top, so you cannot see that the ghee is underneath the rice.
और हमारे घर के
But you're saying that 300 feet
जमीन
under
के नीचे 300 मीटर
under
नीचे
my courtyard, like inside the ground of my courtyard, there is some
चावल के
oil
नीचे में
mine.
घी है,
But you don't see the ghee, which is just under this
दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है।
rice, like half
और हमारे
centimeter
जमीन
under the rice. You cannot see
300
this
मीटर
ghee,
नीचे
but you're seeing the 300
में
meters
दिख रहे हो।
under the ground of my
तो
courtyard,
करके बात करती है।
and the ground there is some
तो इसलिए
oil
कहा जाता
mine.
है नकली साधु।
So this is a nakli sadhu, means a
Eh?
fake saint, a bogus saint, like someone
ऐसे
who is
साधु
an
है।
imposter.
नकली साधु है सब। कलियुग में तो वास्तव रूप में यही कहा।
In Kali Yuga, this is what happens the
Eh?
most.
तो कथा में हम लोग आ रहे हैं।
So we are coming to the katha
ये
that
वास्तव रूप में
really
जो लीला जो किया है,
this
इसलिए
lila.
वो संत महात्मा, वो तो संत महात्मा साधारण नहीं था।
So these saints
ये तो
were not
नकली साधु
ordinary.
नहीं थे ना।
These saints who cursed
है,
the
त्रिकालदर्शी
Yadavas,
साधु थे।
they were not ordinary
ये तो
saints. They were
जाने-
really
जाने-
powerful saints who knew present, future,
चिढ़ाने
and
के लिए, बाहर
and
से मजाक
past.
करने के लिए।
They knew that these boys, they were like mocking them,
उनकी कथा में श्रवण किया।
like pretending to be a, came in a disguise of
ये
a
लोग ने किया कि
pregnant woman and like this. So they gave this curse. So these saints
और-
gave this curse about the
उग्रसेन
Mosul,
के निकट कहा दिया।
this iron ball. So these boys, like Samba and others, they came and told to Ugrasen about this situation. Ugrasen told to them they should grind, like grate. They should grate this Mosul ball, this iron ball, and then the rest they should throw in the
और
ocean.
वही
So they did that,
लोहे के टुकड़े
as like
घिसते-
Ugrasen
घिसते
told.
जितने भी खाई
So
खा
they
गया,
were like grating this
तब तक
iron
लगे,
ball,
इससे भी
and
क्या निकला?
from this like powder which came from grating this iron ball, some trees
एक
came.
प्रकार के स्वर्ग के वृक्ष
One
होता
kind
है।
of
लंबे-
bamboo,
लंबे
like a very tall, like not bamboo exactly, like some kind of grass, very sharp and tall, and one kind of a
और
plant,
एक
very
दिन यादव लोग
and
अधिक रूप में वो पान कर लिया था,
and that day this Yadavas they drank a lot of
सोमरस पान कर लिया
somras,
और सोमरस पान करके एक दूसरे के साथ वार्तालाप
and then they
करते-
started
करते-
like
करते-
quarreling to each other, and then
बात आगे चलने लगे
this
बस
they
एक
quarreled
दूसरे
so
से
much,
आक्रमण
quarreled, and then they attacked to one another.
है। क्यों बात होता है ना, थोड़ी सी बात के लिए
Because if there's some
सुनी के
argument or something,
बात लेकर के कितने विशाल हाथी के हाथी हो जाता है।
isn't it, from a small
फिर
argument
आपस
such a
में
big
मारपीट करने लगे।
consequence outcome
और
can
फिर
come.
वही जो है
So-
एरंडा के वृक्ष जो है लेकर के एक दूसरे के मारने लगे, उससे सारे
Just like starts with a needle and
56 लाख
comes out as an elephant, like.
अपने आप
So from this quarrel, all these Yadavas, they killed each other in that using this grass, using this plant. It's one kind of plant that had grown from the powder of the iron ball in powder form.
कैसे मूर्ख
So
बलदेव प्रभु ने किया कि उस स्थान को छोड़कर
Baladeva left that place and became in. He absorbed the meditation and he went to Nittadam. Then Krishna saw the situation and Krishna also left this place and went to Prabhaskand,
और
another place.
पीपल पेड़ के
And Krishna
ऊपर बैठ-
sat on the
डाल
top
पर
of this
बैठे।
pipal tree
है
on a branch.
और दूर
And
से जो है जरा नाम से एक वैद
so there was some hunter called Jar.
कृष्ण के चरण कमल के हाथ
So
हिरण के मुख समझ
he was
करके
thinking that
तीर जो
the
जला।
feet of Krishna was the mouth of a
यहाँ
deer,
पर
so
कोई
he
भी
shot an
कहते हैं,
arrow.
ये जरा नामक वैद कौन है?
So some people say
जो
that this Jara, this hunter,
निरीश्वरवादी होती है।
so the Nirisharvadi, like people
वे
who,
कहीं न कहीं वो आध्यात्मिक कथा को जोड़ देते हैं।
so they actually believe only in this karma,
वो
this
जोड़ देते
moral
कहाँ से?
moral duty. So they
रामचंद्र ने
try to make this
बाली को मार दिया।
spiritual
उसमें
katha,
वही
trying
जो है,
to speak about their, for example, they try to
आकर
say
के काल
that
के रूप में वो
this
जरा को
Jara, this
कृष्ण
hunter
के
actually was
वो
Bali.
बाण से
Bali, no? Bali
जो- वो
from-
बाण भी कैसे वो
Bali from
टुकड़ा कैसे कल मिला, मैंने कहा था
that came
जो
because of
पत्थर
the
के
karma
क्या बोले टुकड़ा नीचे
and
गिरा
now was
दिया।
killing to Krishna.
एक
Because I thought, no,
नुकसान
how
है उसको,
this
मछली
this
को
hunter
पकड़
did
लिया।
this tip of his
मछली को
arrow,
खा लिया,
like
मछली
the
पेट में गई मछुआरा उनको पकड़ा,
parts, the sharp parts of his arrow,
उसके पेट से
because the Yadavas they grated the iron ball, right? And this powder came in the ocean. But the rest, there was a little bit small piece left. They threw in the water of the ocean. One fish ate it, and then one fisherman took this from the belly of the fish and gave to the hunter, and from this iron piece of the muscle, the hunter created this arrow. So
56 लाख यदुवंशी के शरीर ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था, वहीं पर हिरण कैसे आ जाएगा, कैसे उनको समझ में आएगा। तो इसी प्रकार तरह तरह के प्रश्न आदि उठाते हैं।
So many questions come and you cannot reconcile.
जिस कथा हम लोग कल श्रवण किया था,
like yesterday we say,
तो इसीलिए इस लीला को कहा जाता है इंद्रजालिक लीला। वास्तव
so actually this लीला is इंद्रजालिक लीला. Actually nothing happened to Krishna.
श्रीमद् भागवत में इसको तो एकादश स्कंध में इसको भी वर्णन किया गया।
So in 11th canto of Bhagavatam explains this.
ये समस्त दिखाया गया। और जादूगर की कथा भी आप लोग ने श्रवण किया शायद।
Maybe also you heard about this story of the magic like
सभा में आकर के अनेक प्रकार के
magician
है
who came in the courtyards, like in the kingdom, and he showed some magic tricks, and the queen was so pleased, and she gave her a necklace too,
जादूगर के पत्नी के हाथ में दिया,
to the hand of the wife of the magician.
और मादारी की पत्नी वो हार के लेकर देख रहे, इतने समय उनके दो बेटा आ गए।
So she took that beautiful necklace and her two sons came. Mommy, oh mother, please give us this necklace. So they were fighting for that necklace, and
ऐसे
then
तलवार उठाया, दोनों की गला काट दिया बस।
so they actually, the boys, they just took some sword and killed each other.
मेरे दो बेटा चले गए, मेरा बेकार जीवन है।
So the mother was thinking, oh, my two sons, they died in front of me, my life is useless. So in front of everyone, she also cut her own throat. So the magician man, he saw, oh, my two sons and my wife, they died just now, so my life is also useless. So in front of everyone, he also took some swords and he cut his head off. In front of everyone saw it. Everybody was like astonished, like completely in shock, also shocked in that assembly. Everybody was shocked, and then everybody was lamenting. Then they even burned their bodies in front of everyone as well. And then after 2 days, the king was making some like Shoka Sabha, like they were all gathered to mourn that situation. So some postmen came and told Maharaj, before you start this morning session, like to mourn the situation, read this letter. So the king read the letter. It was saying, oh Maharaj, oh king, 2 days ago I showed you some trick, magic trick, and then your queen was so happy and she gave some necklace to my wife, a necklace with a precious stone, Gajamukta, the pearl of an elephant. So if by this magic trick that I thought I showed to you now, which kind of gift will you give to me? So after the king read the letter, this same, exactly at that moment, the same magician, he came with his two sons and his wife. He came back. Everybody was like, oh, how this is possible? They had burned their bodies, so how can he be back? So this is Indrajalik. This is illusionism, magic trick. So how you should not like doubt, because with many kinds of mystic powers and tantra mantra, many other things, they can do these things. This illusionism. So Bhagavan is Yogeshwar, like all these Ashtasi, these 8 perfections, and Navanidhi, these 9 jewels, they all come from the feet of Krishna. So for the Leelas, for Bhagavan and his associates to do these Leelas of like magic tricks and illusionism, this is nothing special, like it's normal, it's okay, it's easy for them. You see also the Shuddha Bhaktas also, they leave their body. So, but Dhruva Maharaj and some, they don't leave their bodies. Dhruva Maharaj just tapped on the head of the Mrityu Devata, demigod of death, a personality of death, and went to Dhruva Loka. But Narada Rishi, he left his body and he told, oh, I left my material body and got my transcendental body and went to transcendental world. So,
इसकी समाधान करते हुए जिस प्रकार
to reconcile that, you can think about the snake. The snake changes skin and comes out from that dead skin, you know. So in the same way, the devotee of Lord, the pure devotee, by Jogamaya and by desire of Lord, he leaves somebody behind and he comes in his aprakrita sharir and transcendental body and comes in the abode of God. So in the Gita, Bhagavan says, we change body just like a cloth, just like we change clothes in a clothes. But this is for ordinary Badajivas. But for the like this, for these other like Parikaras, etc., Jogamaya arranged something. It's not like that for them. So we were discussing about two Leelas, special two Leelas in the Bhagavatam, which are Indrajalik Leela, this illusionism, Mosa Leela and Mahishi Haran Leela. It's very beautifully described. So this look we were describing, Jayati Jana Nivaso. So Jayati means, this is indicating the Nitya Vartaman, means the continuous present, eternal present. So the Leelas of Lord, they are happening just like Alava Chakra. Means if you take a burning stick and you make a circle with it very quickly, it looks like a complete circle of fire is there, you know. So in the same way, these Leelas of Lords, they are always happening in any universe, material universe. So how many Leelas are going on at the same time? So there is the Prakat Brahmanda, like the Leelas of Krishna which are going on in the material universe. So the Leelas of Krishna, they are going on in any universe, some universe. Because there are Ananta Kaur, like infinite, unlimited billions of universes. So the Leelas are happening in any universe. And those who are fortunate, they can see these Leelas. And another thing is Nitya Leela, the Leela which is eternally happening in Goloka Vrindavan. So this is called Nitya Leela. So two kinds of Leela, Nitya Leela and Naimitika Leela. Like some in transcendental world, the Prakat Goloka Vrindavan, Krishna does not take birth, Janma Leela. And also he doesn't kill Putana or anything. But these Leelas manifest there. How? So this is called the Stul Sharira, the gross bodies are not there, but Bhava Matra, only the mood is there. Jiva Goswami explained, but what is this? Through the bhajan, you'll be able to understand it. So Nitya Leela and Naimitika Leela. Nitya Leela means? Which Leela is Nitya Leela? Rasa Leela, yes. The highest Leela of Lord is Rasa Leela, and it is a Nitya Leela, eternal pastime. So God makes all these Leelas with his Jogamaya. And who can see these Leelas? The sadhakas after attaining perfection, Siddhi. So Bhagavan himself manifests these things in their hearts. So Aprakat Goloka Vrindavana Leela is going on. In the same time also this Leela in the material universe. Prakat Leela. Just like for example we see the Leela of Mahaprabhu.
नरहरि सरकार,
Like for example, Narahari Sarkar, he wrote a
जब
shloka
चैतन्य महाप्रभु जो सन्यास
that
लेकर के
when Mahaprabhu he had taken sannyas
हा कृष्ण करके
and
रोते
Mahaprabhu
हुए
was crying,
जब
speaking Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna.
अरुण वसनम दिव्य चैतन्य महाप्रभु के
Mahaprabhu in
कैसे
his
दिव्य
divine
वसन
form
है?
and divine attire, like his
अरुण
beautiful
वसन
clothes,
और कितने
clothes,
सुंदर
you know, the cloth, Mahaprabhu, that saffron cloth, so beautiful. And Mahaprabhu also with his long arms raised up,
नाम संकीर्तन हा कृष्ण करके जोते जाए
running
उसको
Nama
देख
Sankirtana,
करके
like speaking Ha
देखो,
Krishna, Ha
नित्य
Krishna.
प्रभु वृंदावन में
So sing this, like sing
गोपियां
in Nitya
देख
Goloka
रही हैं।
Vrindavana, the gopis, they were watching this situation,
यहाँ
this
पर
scene.
नवद्वीप धाम में
So here in
महाप्रभु ने क्या किया?
Navadvipadam,
सन्यास लेकर के
Mahaprabhu had taken sannyas and he was like
दो हाथ दो बाहु
raising his arms and walking.
चलते जा रहे हैं। और वो गोलोक वृंदावन में गोपियां
And in Goloka Vrindavana, the gopis, they were watching
गोलोक वृंदावन की लीला को देख रहे हैं
this Leela.
और देख करके कह रहे पशुपति सखी
And then they are saying this loka, Paschati Sakhi, oh my friend, look,
हमारे प्राण प्रियतम गोविंद
our beloved Govinda,
आज कैसे
today how he
भूताल में
is in the
लीला
earth
करके जा रही है
making pastimes. See how beautiful his
अरुण वसनम
saffron
सन्यास वेश
clothes and
लेकर
like
के जा रही है
he's walking with this cloth of a sannyasi.
एक सखी दूसरे सखी
Then one Sakhi, they were mocking this and
कैसे संभव है
they're making fun of him and saying, no, this, how this is
हमारे प्राण
possible?
प्रियतम कृष्ण
Our beloved
सन्यास
Krishna,
नहीं ले
he
सकते।
could not take
भाई
sannyas.
सन्यास लेने की तो लक्षण होता है
Because if you were to take sannyas, you must have some
कृष्ण कैसे
qualities.
सन्यास ले लेंगे
How was possible for Krishna to take sannyas? So this verse explains.
ये सखी देखो
Oh my friend,
हमारे
look,
प्राण काम तो कृष्ण आज कैसे
how today my beloved Krishna took sannyas.
अरुण वसन पहन ली आंखों से आंसू की धारा प्रवाहित हो रही
So he's crying, he's wearing saffron cloth.
तब उसे सखी
Then this
परिहास करते हुए
Sakhi, he
कहने
was
लगी,
just
"सखी,
making fun, mocking and said, oh my
ये संभव
Sakhi,
नहीं है।
it's not possible for him.
क्यों नहीं है
Why not?
हम देख रहे हैं अरे तुम्हारे देखना और बोलना नहीं अलग है
What you're seeing and what you're speaking
बोले,
is
ये जो
different
तुम
thing.
जो अरुण वसन कर रहे हो
Okay, you're seeing him wearing some
Rasa
saffron
Utsav
clothes, right? But
Rasa
actually in the
Utsav
Rasa dance,
Utsav में
when we were in the great part, a great celebration of Rasa,
कृष्ण के विरह में हम तड़प
when we were suffering
और
separation
हम
of
लोग की वसन
Krishna,
कैसे हो गया
our clothes, like our
हम लोग की
garments,
वक्षस्थल के
they
कुमकुम
were
के द्वारा
colored
हो गया।
by the kumkum, the vermilion powder of our chests. So,
वक्षस्थल के कुमकुम के द्वारा रंजित हो गया था क्या किया त्याग दीजिए
so we left these garments colored by just like left it there. And so this look is so beautiful. Do you know this loka Uttam? This loka of Narahari Sarkar.
तो ये सब कहने की तब वृंदावन धाम में
So in Goloka,
भूतल में पृथ्वी में जो तब तक करे पसती सके तुम एक सके दूसरे की
so one Sakhi is telling to another Sakhi, look,
तो आइए कथा में हम
so they're saying this saffron cloth of Mahaprabhu is actually their clothes, the cloth of the gopis, which was colored by their kumkum of their chests, that they left after Ras Leela, and Krishna took now and is covering himself with this cloth.
जयति शब्द के द्वारा
So if this word Jayati in this loka,
कृष्ण लीला की नित्यता स्थापित हो गया और कृष्ण लीला की नित्यता स्थापित
actually it's been established how the pastimes of Krishna are eternal.
तीन धामों की विशेष
Especially three dhammas of Krishna are,
मैंने कहा था
yesterday I told. So three dhammas, Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama Dham.
मथुरा
Dwarka, Mathura and Vrindavan.
ये पूर्ण पूर्णतर किसके ऊपर प्रतिष्ठित
So this
हुआ?
depends on
किसने
what?
कहा
This
है?
complete, more complete and most complete I
ईश्वर
told.
माधुर्य के
Depending
विचार
on the Ashwar and Madhurya present in which each dham.
हाँ, द्वारका
Okay?
में
So Dwaraka, in Dwaraka is Purna, complete.
ऐश्वर्य प्रधान
Because there the opulence is more prominent and the Madhurya is very little.
माधुर्य और ऐश्वर्य
In Mathura,
करीब करीब बराबर माने 19
Ashwara and Madhura, they are almost in same level, almost approximately in the same level.
माधुर्य होता है
But still the Aishwarya is more, but it's almost same as Madhurya. But in Vrindavana, Madhurya is more prominent and Aishwarya is less. But actually in Vrindavana, Aishwarya is also not less. Actually, if you get all the Aishwarya opulence of Vaikuntha together, and if you compare with the opulence of Vaikuntha in a scale, suppose you put in two sides of a scale, still the opulence of Vaikuntha, of Vrindavana, will be heavier, like will be more opulence than Vaikuntha. But this opulence of Vrindavana, it's completely covered by Madhurya, the sweetness mood. So it's not less actually. So from all the leelas that Krishna did in Vrindavan, actually all leelas are Aishwarya leela. But although the opulence is there, the Brajavasis, they could not believe this opulence. So Krishna manifested all his supremacy there in Vrindavan also. Because Krishna is Bhagavan, he has the 6 opulence in the fullest way. But his opulence is covered by the sweetness in Vrindavan. So it's not same, but like for example, once Krishna took milk from the chest, from the breast of Devaki, once. So that Krishna was like son of Devaki Vasudeva, but still always they were thinking, oh, my son, he is Bhagavan. So this Aishwarya is there, opulence. So they have Bhagavat Buddhi, like thinking Krishna is God, he is superior. So they have the Hrit Kampan, this is the symptom. They have fear, like Hrit, it's like a heart, Kampan is like trembling, like this fear, hesitation is there, you know. But the Vrajavasis, not even slightly, no, they have this mood. No. So they saw Krishna lifting Giriraj Govardhan for 7 days, 7 nights. This is not possible for an ordinary human being. It's not possible for a human being. Try to lift, to raise your hand for 2 minutes. You'll feel so much pain already. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Do you raise your hands for Jai Jai Shri Radhe? So imagine stay 7 days raising your hands up. So Krishna lifts Giriraj in which hands? Is it written in the Bhagavatam? Tell me what is written in the Bhagavatam. You read the Bhagavatam, alright? So we do the Bhagavad Saptah, like we give so much importance, emphasis to the Bhagavatam. So tell me, Uttam. Uttam. Show me in the Bhagavatam.
कृष्णा जो है गिरिराज गोवर्धन के उठाया, हस्त से उठाया.
Krishna lifted Giriraj with his hands. But which hand? Doesn't explain. It's not explained in the Bhagavatam. Which hand? But our Goswamis, in the commentaries, they've explained how Krishna lifted Giriraj with his left hand. But if you read the Bhagavatam, in the main verse, is saying just Krishna lifted with his hands. Like, but which hands? It doesn't mention. You can see that in the Bhagavatam about the Giriraj Leela. So in the main shlokas is not saying which hands. Only mentions that Krishna lifted Giriraj with hands, with his hands. But which hand doesn't mention in the Bhagavatam. But the commentaries have explained. And also other Puranas also they've proved. Because Indra, he challenged to Krishna. Generally, our left hand is less powerful than the right hand. And even like your left finger, like small, the pinky will be the least powerful of your fingers, right? The least powerful. But in the Bhagavatam, in the main shlokas, it's not mentioning that Krishna lifted Giriraj with his left hand. Okay, let's continue the katha about, this is Jayati. Then Jana Nivaso.
Janesu Gopa Jadvaji Madhyesu Eva Nivaso Jassa Jadva Jananam Jivanam Ju Nivasa Asraya. Jivesu Ba Nivasatu Antarjami तया तथा स। यहाँ पर जननिवास शब्द के अर्थ कहते हैं
So Jananivas
समस्त
means
जनों की पास रहते हैं।
you stay with everyone.
गोपी वृंदावन इनके
Okay,
में
so
जन-
first the Jan means the people is also gopis and gopas, like Krishna always stays with
जादवादी
them,
के मध्य में भी
and also the Jadavas. Krishna always with the Jadavas as well.
भगवान जादवादी के साथ
Krishna,
रहते हैं।
he's always with the
वृंदावनवासी
Jadavas,
उनकी भी जन हैं।
and also Vrindavana-vasis are also the
है।
people like of Krishna, like his
और जनानां जीवानां
friends and
जो
everyone
निवास
that lives with him.
समस्त जीवों की
But Jananivasa also means that Krishna is in the hearts of everyone,
अंतर्जामित
all the living entities.
सबके हृदय में अंतर्जामित
Krishna
रूप में
is
ही
in the,
विराजमान है।
like Paramatma in the hearts of
वासी है।
all the living entities, in every particle of everything which exists.
शिष्य के बोले
Ramanacharya told to his disciples, do you want to take Diksha? Yes, we want. Oh.
दीक्षा में
So he
मंत्र
told,
देता हूँ।
okay, I'll give you Diksha
मंत्र
mantra,
देने के पहले
but
मिठाई
before
ले
giving
जाओ
the mantra,
और
take this
मिठाई
sweet,
खा के डालो।
and come back after.
सारे शिष्य जो लेकर मिठाई लेके
So
चले
Ramanacharya told that nobody should see they eating.
हैं? सब
So-
मिठाई खा करके आ गए।
So all the devotees, they went and took the sweet and came back. Oh, did anyone see? Has anyone seen you eating? You should go to a place like which has no one is there.
हाथ में मिठाई
And then yeah, we ate, nobody saw. But one small boy, he was crying and came back crying.
उसी से बोलो कहाँ गए?
So Ramanacharya,
देखा गया एक स्थान पर निर्जन स्थान पर मिठाई हाथ में
he
रखा है,
didn't find this small boy, like because he was not coming back. And Ramanacharya saw him crying and say, oh boy, why are you crying? Oh my son, like all
आपके
this.
आदेश में पालन करने।
Then this boy said, Gurudev, I couldn't follow your instruction. What?
मिठाई तो खाना था ना, खा लो ना।
You should eat this sweet. You can just
गुरुदेव
eat
ने
and come
आपने
back.
एक बार प्रवचन में
Oh,
कहा
Gurudev, no, but you
कि
told in your
भगवान
katha,
सबका
Gurudev,
भगवान
that
गड़गड़बाजी है।
actually God is everywhere, everywhere.
और आपने क्या कहा?
And just now you told that we should eat this sweet without no one
भगवान
seeing.
तो देख रहे ना।
So, but God is seeing, isn't it? Isn't He?
तो
So,
भगवान के सामने वो कैसे खाए?
how can I eat in front of God?
तब रमन जग में तुम दीक्षा
So Ramanacharya said, you are really qualified to take Diksha because you have faith
ये भगवान
in my instructions.
सर्व अंतर्जामी है।
Really, Lord is everywhere. He's seeing everything. He's watching everything.
हम कुकार्य करें,
If we do bad things or good things, whatever we
सब
do,
कौन देखता है?
who is watching everything? Bhagavan.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी करें
So-
निवसति अंतर्जामिता सहयोग, अथवा भी ये भी कहा जाते हैं श्री स्वयं भगवान चैत्य गुरु के रूप में सबके हृदय में विराजमान है।
Also, Bhagavan is in the form of
कृष्ण जी
Chaitya
की
Guru
कृपा
in
करें,
everyone's
पूर्ण
hearts.
भगवान ने गुरु अंतर्जामी रूपे सिखाया अपन है। भगवत कृपा बिना सद्गुरु प्राप्त नहीं कर
Without the mercy of Lord, you cannot attain a
और गुरु
Sadguru.
कृपा बिना
And without the mercy of Guru, also you cannot attain to Lord.
अंतर्जामी के रूप में स्वयं
So in the form of Antarjami, Super Soul, Lord is in our hearts.
है। ऐसा नहीं।
Understand?
इसीलिए तो अभिज्ञात हो।
So Abhigata
भगवान
means
हमारे पास कैसे अभिज्ञात हो?
Lord is near us, but we don't know about
हम
Him.
जहाँ जहाँ पर चलते हैं, जहाँ पर आते हैं,
Wherever we go,
वो
whatever we
हमारे
do,
साथ ही चलते
He's
हैं।
always with
जिस
us
प्रकार
actually,
छाया और
just like
छाया
the
एक
shadow.
ही साथ में है। तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
बताओ।
Tell me.
जीवात्मा और परमात्मा।
The Jivatma and the Paramatma, the soul and the Super Soul. The Upanishads explain, right?
दास सुवर्णा सुजा समाना विक्क परिश्रजाति। उपनिषद के श्लोक है।
This is a shloka of the Upanishads.
ये देह रूपी एक वृक्ष
That
है।
our body is like a
देह रूपी
tree,
वृक्ष में दो
and there are two
डाल है।
branches in this tree.
एक शाखा में परमात्मा रूपी
In one branch
पक्षी
is sitting
और दूसरी
the
में
bird of the soul, and another the soul of the Super Soul. Oh, the bird of the Super Soul. And there is a black screen between them. This is Maya.
आश्चर्य की बात
So
है,
something amazing is going on.
जीवात्मा
What?
रूपी पक्षी
The
परमात्मा
Jivatma
रूपी
bird
पक्षी जो है वो
cannot see the Super Soul birds,
है। और पर
but the Super Soul bird can see the Jivatma birds.
देख नहीं पा रहे। ये जो दास सुवर्णा सुजा समाना विक्क परिश्रजाति है। तो ये वो है ना? ये दास सुजा समाना विक्क परिश्रजाति। तो ये वो है ना?
So this shloka explains very clearly.
जीवात्मा बद्ध जीव अपने कर्म फल भोगते जा रहे
The Jivatma, they are suffering, the Jivas, they are suffering their own karma.
हैं। किंतु जहाँ जहाँ पर हम चलते हैं,
But wherever we go,
वही परमात्मा
This Paramatma
हमारे
Super Soul is
छाया
always
के भांति
with us like a shadow.
है। श्रीमद् भागवत
In
में
Srimad Bhagavatam also,
इसमें जब जीव
when the
संसार
jiva
में भ्रमण करते करते
is wandering this material world
है, और चल नहीं पाते
and cannot walk anymore
और रोते रहे
and is crying,
और हाँ कृष्ण करके
and you,
एक
if you're like crying out loud, like you remember to God once and you're like calling to God, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna,
मार्ग
then the Bhagavan comes to you in the form of the Guru to show you the way, the path.
वही तो दशा है। जीव जितने रोते रहेंगे
So the more the jiva cries for God, Ha Bhagavan, Ha Krishna,
तो वही मार्ग के रास्ता को दर्शन करें।
so he'll show you the way, the path.
हम चैत्य गुरु का
So this is the Chaita Guru. Super Soul. The Bhagavatam explains. Chaita Guru Vapusha. So this Guru comes to you.
अभी हमारे पास कैसे हैं? अभिज्ञात है।
But so now the Guru, also like the Krishna in your heart also is Abhigyata. We don't know about him. We are hallucinated by Maya. And then we are facing the other side. Like we are looking not to him, to the other side.
किंतु हम सुन नहीं
Lord is calling to us, but we are not listening to him.
मैं कहता हूँ वृंदावन में
I say that in Vrindavana Krishna plays the flute. And the gopis, they came, Krishna played the flute, and the sound of the flute was Kling. All the gopis, they left their duties and they came running to Krishna. Why? Because this word Klim, K-L-I-M,
और यही शब्द के द्वारा वंशित ध्वनि के द्वारा गोपियों की एक एक नाम उच्चारण करते जा रहे हैं।
So actually the gopis, they were listening their own names being called. And this sound entered in the ears of the gopis. They left everything they were doing. So they ran so much. So what is the meaning? Krishna, the sound of the flute, he was calling the name of each gopi. So the gopis were running to him. Krishna is calling actually all the jivas. You can say, oh, Krishna is calling only the gopis and not to me. No, you cannot say this actually. Krishna is calling to all, to everyone. But the ear hole of the gopis, like the holes of their ears, is clear, like there's no impediment. But the hole of the ears of the Bhadajivas, there's so much material desires covering our ears. That's when Narottam Das Thakur says, so these material desires, so this is blocking our ears.
और यही विषय वासना कैसे दूर होगा?
So
कृष्ण कथा नाम श्रवण कीर्तन आदि के
if you listen to Krishna Katha, then this blockage will disappear. If you do Krishna Katha and Krishna Nam, if you hear Hari Katha and chant holy names, then Krishna will come inside your ears and come in your hearts, and Krishna will clean your heart. And Krishna himself, after cleaning your heart, he will sit in your heart. So the shloka explains. Krishna himself, he cleans your heart. Because he's saying, oh, he's my friend. So if a friend goes to the house of another friend, he's not telling his friend, oh friend, prepare some place for me to sit in your house, clean this place for me to sit. No. The friend take his own gamcha, his cloth, and he cleans himself the place where he will sit. So in the same way, our dearest friend is Krishna. So in the form of holy names, in the form of Shabda Brahma, in the form of Katha, he's coming inside the ear holes of the Bhadajivas and coming to their hearts, and all the desires they have in their hearts. He's cleaning all these desires and sitting himself there. So beautiful. Just by reciting this sloka, our heart melts. So beautiful. Our hearts melt.
देखो कितने सुंदर
Looks so beautiful. This look is so beautiful.
शरद काल, जिस प्रकार शरद काल
Just like in the autumn season, when autumn season comes,
के जल क्या हो जाता है?
all the waters of the ponds and the rivers become so clear, so pure. Because actually before, in the time of the rainy season, all the ponds and the rivers and all the lakes, they are full of dirt, the water, because of the rain and everything. But when the autumn season comes, the water becomes so clear, pure and clean.
जलम पद्माकरम सुगंधिना कितनी सुंदर वेणुगीत की पहली
So beautiful, this first sloka of the Venugita.
प्रारंभ काल में ही बन होती जा रही है। शरद काल तात्पर्य क्या है? साधक सामान्य रूप में साधन भजन करने के साथ
So the sadhaka,
साधन भक्ति प्रारंभ काल में ही
just in the beginning of the sadhana bhakti already,
साधक की हृदय को निर्मल कराने के लिए भगवान स्वयं ही
Bhagavan, to clean the hearts of the devotee,
आ जाते हैं।
Bhagavan comes himself.
हम अपने आप अपने अनर्थ को हम
Actually, we cannot clean our own anarthas, like you cannot destroy your own
भगवान
anarthas.
कृपा करके जब
God mercifully comes and
हमारी
cleans.
चेष्टा केवल मात्र है।
So we only have to endeavor.
हम सोचते हैं
So we are thinking that,
निज बल बुद्धि छाड़िया
so we have to stop thinking that our own endeavors will give the results.
तो हम यहीं पर भी आ रहे हैं जे जन निवास हो।
So Jana Nivasa. So Jana Nivasa means how Krishna is in the hearts of all the living entities in the form of this super
ये तो
soul.
भगवान कहते हैं एक
So
बार
Bhagavan
तुम
says,
केवल
if
अपने
once you only
मुख को हमारी तरफ मोड़ो,
like turn your face towards me, only once,
एक बार बस।
once, enough, once.
जिस प्रकार सूर्य पूर्व दिशा में उदित हो रहा है,
Just like the sun rises in the east
आप पश्चिम
direction.
दिशा में चले
But
और
if
सूर्य
you're
को देखने के लिए प्रयास करेंगे,
facing the west, you'll not be able to see the sun because the sun is in the
इसलिए
east.
आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा?
So you must
आपके मुंह
do
पे क्या करना
what?
पड़ेगा?
You must turn your face
पूर्व दिशा में घुमाओ।
to the east
देखो,
direction,
आपको दिशा की तरफ
and then to be able to see the sun which is rising in the east.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, the sadhaka,
साधन की प्रारंभ काल में
just in the beginning already of this sadhana,
गुरु वैष्णव के श्रद्धा दिखाई
if he a little bit has some faith in the Guru Vaishnavas, just this,
और भगवान कहते हैं मैं सब कुछ व्यवस्था कर
Bhagavan says, I'll arrange everything for you.
इतना ही जो मैं भगवान
Just this.
श्रद्धा में श्रद्धा शब्द विश्वास
Shraddha means
कृष्ण भक्ति कहिले सर्व करो श्रद्धा से वर्णन पाए वर्जन भक्ति मुख चित्त वृत्ति विशेष है सामान्य रूप में भी श्रद्धा में
so if you have
भगवान हमें
even a little bit of Shraddha, Bhagavan will help you.
इसलिए जन निवास समस्त
So Jana Nivas means
जनेषु समस्त जीवों की हृदय में
Lord is in the hearts of all the living entities.
जो निवास आश्रय
He stays in the hearts of all the living
भगवान
entities.
आश्रय दाता जी इसलिए उनके नाम नारायण करना
So that's why his name is Narayana.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है भगवान आश्रय देता भगवान
So he gives shelter to all the living entities.
जन निवास जनेषु गोप जागवासु मध्येषु निवास
No, so
भगवान के दो लीलाएं हैं
two kinds of leelas of
एक है
Lord. One,
वृंदावन लीला
leelas of Vrindavana, and another
मथुरा द्वारका की एक माना
of Mathura and Dwarka, which is like just one, like Mathura and Dwarka.
गोप आदि के द्वारा उन्हें विश्वास कर रहे हैं
Krishna, in one form, he always stays with the Gopas and Gopis in Vrindavana, and with another form,
यानी द्वारका मथुरा लीला
he goes-
करने के लिए जादव आदि के साथ
he stays with the Jadavas in the purpose of making the Leela of Mathura and Dwarka. So these leelas are actually going on at the same time. So that's why the first word Jayati means forever, at the same time. At the same time, Krishna is in Dwarka, Vrindavana and Mathura. So he is in the three Dhamas at the same time, eternity, forever and always. So the Krishna of Vrindavana, he's always in Vrindavana, he never leaves Vrindavana. The Krishna of Dwarka never leaves Dwarka as well. And the Krishna of Mathura also, he always stays only in Mathura.
केवल गमनागमन जो दिखा रहे ये केवल
But this coming and going that we apparently we see
लोगों के दिखाने के लिए
just is to show the people of this world when he comes to this material world. Like Krishna sits in the chariot of Akrur and all. But actually this was also not real, not true.
अक्रूर के रथ पर
Actually, when Krishna sat in the chariot of Akrur and left Vrindavana to come to Mathura, when he reached the border of Vrindavana with Mathura, the Krishna of Vrindavana disappeared from the chariot
अक्रूर घाट है ना
in the Akrur Ghat, that place.
मथुरा
And then the Mathuradish Krishna at that moment he
कृष्ण
sat
वहीं पर आकर के बैठ गए।
on the chariot, and then he continued the journey. See how this lila is going
किंतु
on.
यहाँ पर हम देख रहे
So,
हैं लोक दृष्टि से
but according to the mundane vision, like the people's vision, they will see that Krishna is coming and going from one dham to another
पूर्ण
one.
बुद्धि वाले लोगों के लिए
The people with gross intelligence, they will see like this, that God is going from one dham to another. But if you really,
दृष्टि वाले
in those who have subtle vision, subtle intelligence, they will see that no, actually no.
वृंदावन प्रत्यजम पादमेकम न
Krishna says, I don't take one step out of Vrindavan. He never leaves Vrindavan.
ये समस्त सिद्धांत भी दिखाई दे। इसलिए यहाँ पर कह दे जन निवास के द्वारा तीन अर्थ बता रहे।
So Jana Nivasa, there are three meanings.
जीवों के हृदय में वास करने।
First, that Krishna is in the hearts of all the living entities
परमात्मा के रूप में सबकी पास।
in the form of Paramatma.
और दूसरी जो है
Another meaning,
वृंदावन गोप आदि के साथ एक ही साथ
Krishna is always with the Gopas and in Gopis in Vrindavana.
विराजमान है। और तीसरी
And third meaning,
यादव आदि के साथ
also he is always with the Jadavas
द्वारका अथवा मथुरा में विराजमान है।
in Dwaraka and Mathura.
फिर देवकी जन्मवादो की बात।
Then Devaki Janmavado, yesterday we discussed about this.
देवकी जन्मवादो देवकां जन्म इति वाद मात्रं जस्स अथवा देवकानंदरं वसुदेव गृहन्न जन्मैव वाद सिद्धांते तत्र एव वस्तुतः अजन्मा। भगवान अजन्मा होकर के भी जन्म ग्रहण कर रहे हैं।
Lord, although he is not unborn, he takes birth.
गोकुल में
So in Gokula, he took birth in Gokula.
जहाँ पर नाड़ी छेदन
So there was the cut of his umbilical cord, Janma Samskar also. This is called Jata Samskar. Which kind of Samskar? Jata Samskar.
बालक जन्म लेने से
Some rituals that they do after the baby is born. Like for example, they cut the umbilical cord, they give so many donations, and they do other kinds of activities. Jata Karma, some rituals they do.
बहुत प्रमाण है शास्त्र।
So there are many evidence in the Shastra about this.
आत्मा जो उत्पन्न जातो राधो महान। तो ये समस्त श्लोक आदि के द्वारा।
So with all these shlokas, there is a proof. There is a proof that Krishna was really born in Vrindavan.
और एक
But at the same time, he appeared in the, like manifested in the womb of Devaki, from the womb of Devaki. So the Gaudiya Vaishnava's conception is very subtle. Actually, the Shastra explains that Krishna was born from the womb of Devaki. But according to the conception of Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they say, no, he didn't take birth. He manifested, he prakat, he appeared. Because there was not the Jata Samskara, these rituals of the birth of the baby in the prison of Kamsa. But still, in the Bhagavatam, what Shukadeva Goswami explains in the Bhagavatam, this Garbhastuti, these prayers of the demigods to the womb of Devaki, these Devatas and some Munis, they did these prayers to the womb of Devaki. So how is this? Not in vain also, right? So actually there's Aishwarya Lila and Madhurya Lila. So here it says, so there is this bada, means this controversy. Controversy. So I told that to establish something, you need 5 or 6 truths to establish some conclusion. So what did I say? First is Bishoy. What is the subject matter? Understand? Then second, what is the samshaya? What is the doubt? Third, what is the Purva Paksha? Like the Purva Paksha, this like some right wing party will make some question. Then Mimamsa. I think it's like the reconciliation or something, and then Siddhanta is the conclusion. So the Shastra explains.
कौन शास्त्र से कहाँ कहाँ का समस्त जो, फिर अंत में और पुराणों जो है कथा जो है,
So in other
वो क्या किया?
Puranas,
संगति सहमति आदि दे करके तत्व युक्ति आदि करके देखते जा रहे, पुराण आदि के कथा जो।
so
किंतु श्रीमद् भागवत क्या दिया? सिद्धांत। किंतु श्रीमद् भागवत
so some Puranas they explain these other things, but Bhagavata explains already the Siddhanta.
इसके ऊपर
Like maybe some Puranas they will explain about these other things, like these other aspects of establishing some conclusion. But this Bhagavatam will already say the conclusion. Just like the sentence of a Supreme Court. Krishna stu Bhagavan Swayam. This is the conclusion already.
इसका और क्या चाहिए?
So what else do you want? Bhagavatam is already the
गरुड़ पुराण में अर्थ ब्रह्मसूत्रांग भागवत विनिर्णय,
no,
तो इसी
all the shlokas explain that the Bhagavatam is the essence of all the scriptures, like the commentary of Vedanta, everything. So if Bhagavatam is giving some evidence, you don't need any other evidence, you don't need, because already that is the supreme conclusion. That's why Jiva Goswami and many other scholars, they didn't write any commentary to Vedanta Sutra. Many people ask, why Jiva Goswami, who is such a Mahapandit, Jiva Goswami is such a learned scholar person, why didn't he write some commentary to Bhagavatam? Also, Vishwanatha Chakravarti Pada also did not write it, this commentary to Bhagavatam. Why? Because this sloka of Garuda Purana explains.
भारतार्थ विनिर्णय, महाभारत इसके निर्णय करती है। गायत्री भाष्य रूप असुर, ये श्रीमद् भागवतम,
You know that the Bhagavatam is actually the directly commentary of the Gayatri.
इसके और क्या जरूरत है? दिए। किंतु तथापि बलदेव विद्याभूषण प्रभु जब,
like the commentary also of
पंडित लोग जब
the Vedanta and everything. So that's why they didn't write any commentary. But also we see that Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, because of that
साक्षात गोविंद ने
assembly that happened in the Jaipur, Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, by the mercy of Govinda Dev,
भागवतम
that Govinda gave the dictation, and Baladev Vidyabhushan, he wrote the commentary of the Bhagavatam.
एक तत्व विचार और माधुर्य विचार में क्या है? निगम कल्पतरु गलित फलम।
So this is Tattva Vichar and
पीबत भागवत रसमालयम,
Rasa Vichar.
रसिका भावी भुवि भावी।
Also Bhagavatam is so sweet.
तो इस समस्त प्रमाण है।
So all this is evidence. What else do you need? What else is needed?
इसलिए
So
हम काल भी इस तरफ
yesterday also we've discussed,
ये देवकी गर्भ से यदि कृष्ण जन्म लिया,
if Krishna took birth, or
प्रकट मानते हैं वैष्णव लोग,
if Krishna, like Vaishnavas explain,
प्रकट माना जाता है।
Krishna only appeared prakat from the womb of Devaki. He did not take birth, he appeared or manifested from the womb of the Devaki.
अभी
Devaki.
जब से श्रीमद् भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद भी कहें,
But in Bhagavatam, Shukadeva Goswami Pad says, Anshena.
अंशेन शब्द के अर्थ के द्वारा
This word Anshena means it's not complete. Like
आंशिक रूप में प्रकट
Krishna did not appear completely from the womb of from Devaki, only partially. Actually, completely he appears only in Gokula. Also, Anshena Baladev Sahena means Krishna appeared with Baladeva.
देवकांग जन्म इति बाद मात्र, इसे बाद मात्र कहने की शब्द
So, Bad Matra. Yesterday also we discussed the meaning of this expression.
तर्कशास्त्र में
So, like so much like controversy, so many arguments about this subject, so many people think differently about this.
वास्तव जो है
So, controversy topic.
देवकी नंदन
But really, the truth is that
गृहिणी ने वो जन्मे बाद सिद्धांत तो अत्रैव उसको अजन्म, भगवान अजन्मा मिले,
Lord is known unborn.
अजन्मा होकर के जन्म लेते,
And although he's unborn, he takes birth.
दिव्यांग जो व्यक्ति तथा
That's why Gita explains.
शब्द का अर्थ क्या? अलौकिक।
Divya means alokik, like
भगवान शब्द
divine, not mundane.
वास्तव ये अलौकिक।
So the birth and activities of Lord, they are not mundane.
मेरे जन्म
So Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, those who know that my birth and my activities are divine, they're like supramundane, beyond material conception and beyond our intelligence,
विद्या बुद्धि पांडित्य के द्वारा
beyond the material intelligence. And
इसलिए कहा जाता है।
so those who know this,
साथ में भगवान
they will attain. No, Krishna says in this sloka of Bhagavad Gita.
देवकी के और नंदालय में भी प्रकट हुआ, जन्म दे दिया, अजन्मा होकर दिए।
So
ऐसे इसलिए कहते हैं सिद्धांत तत्व वस्तु तो अजन्मा। जदुबर परिषद, जदुबर कहने से
Jaduvara, here the words.
क्षत्रिय पुरस्था एवं च परिषद सभा सेवक कोई तत्सच। जदुबर कहने की भी है।
The word Jaduvar means
एक स्वरूप में कृष्ण
in one form Krishna
और एक ही स्वरूप में
is with the gopis,
में
and another he is with in Mathura with the Jadavas.
ये भी दिखा दिया। इसलिए यहाँ पर कह रहे जदुबर ब्रजस्था क्षत्रिय पुरस्था परिषद सभा है। और स्वयं भगवान क्या करते हैं?
And Swam Bhagavan, what does he do?
सेवक और उपस्थ दौड़ सोई दौड़ भी अपने इच्छा रूप से है, यानी क्रीड़ार्थ कार्य आदि करने के लिए अपने स्वभक्त की रक्षा आदि करते रहते हैं, अथवा अपने भक्तों के द्वारा भगवान असुरों के विनाश आदि करते हैं।
So Krishna destroys the demons also through his devotees sometimes.
तथापि कहें कि भगवान अपने नहीं,
Lord can do everything, but sometimes he does not do himself, and he makes some duty or something, some task through his devotees. For example, Krishna could kill himself. He could kill, Jarasandha, but Krishna killed Jarasandha through Bhim.
वो भी भीम वध करने के लिए योग्य नहीं था।
Actually, Bhim was not qualified to kill Jarasandha. Actually, he was getting defeated again and again in the battlefield. But Krishna knew Krishna is God. So he knew that when Jarasandha was born, actually he was born as 2 pieces of flesh from the womb of his mother. And his mother threw him in the jungle. And some witch called Jara came. Some Rakshasi, some demoness called Jara came. And she united these 2 parts of flesh. And she gave a blessing. He will only die if somebody throws his, tears him apart and throws his 2 pieces of flesh into opposite directions. So there was a fierce fight between Bhima and Jarasandha. And Bhima was about to be defeated, but Krishna took some leaf and he was tearing the leaf like this, and to show to Bhima what he had to do. And Bhima was doing this. He was tearing apart the body of Jarasandha, but again he was coming back to life. Then in the end, Krishna he tore apart this leaf, and then he threw to opposite sides. Then Bhima understood what he had to do. So he tore him apart, tore Jarasandha apart, and threw the flesh, the 2 parts of flesh, to opposite directions, left to right, right to left. So in the war of Kurukshetra also we see that actually who made Arjuna be so successful in the war? Krishna actually, he did that war. In the first sloka of Bhagavatam explains. Sorry, Bhagavad Gita. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. First chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna saw the 2 sides of the war, the battlefield, the opponents, and he was thinking, how can I kill this Guru Varga, these gurus, my superiors?
ऐसे गुरु वर्ग को कैसे पराजित करूं? नौकांके विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्य सुखानि च। मुझे राज्य नहीं चाहिए, सुख नहीं चाहिए।
I don't want kingdom.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए।
I don't want to win victory. But Bhagavan told Arjun, you must come to the battlefield.
किसने कहा तुम्हें विजय होगा?
Who told that you're gonna win? Are you so sure you're gonna win?
सुनो,
listen.
क्या तुम भीष्म पितामह की हत्या कर सकते हो?
Do you think you can kill Bhishma Pitamaha until he's there in the general position of the Kuru's army? You cannot do anything because he has the Ichumritu Baran. He has the benediction that he will only die when he wants. Even your Brahmastra, like your deadly weapon, will go to him and come back because he has the. Even if you shoot a Brahmastra to him, the Brahmastra will do pranam and come back. like will not affect
जब
him.
तक भीष्म पितामह
So
सेनापति
until
रहेंगे,
Bhishma Pitamaha is the general of the Kuru's
जय
army,
कहाँ से वो लोग
how
पराजित
can
करेंगे?
you be victorious? Impossible.
आप बताओ, क्या
So
भीष्म
tell me,
पितामह के तुम मार सकते हो?
could you kill Bhishma Pitamaha then? Krishna asked to Arjun.
द्रोणाचार्य,
Dronacharya,
गुरु के परास्त कैसे कर दोगे?
how can you defeat your guru?
हैं? बताओ। कर्ण, ये कर्ण,
This Karna also.
इसमें कुंडल, एक कुंडल और
He has the kundal and his kabach, his armor and earrings. Also, he cannot
एक
be
करके भगवान उंगली निधि
hurt
देते।
because he's using this. So,
तुम जो नौकांक्षी विजय
So-
कृष्ण, मुझे विजय भी नहीं चाहिए राज्य
so
में।
Arjuna was saying, I don't want to win. I don't want to kingdom. So Krishna is saying, you think you're gonna win?
हैं?
You're thinking you're gonna win? That you have the Gandiv and your bow and arrows, so you
मेरे
can
पास
defeat
दिव्य अस्त्र
everyone.
भी है।
You have Dibastra, like you have like divine weapons, but and you think that your victory is certain, but actually it's not.
इसलिए भगवान ने क्या कहा? हे
So
अर्जुन,
Bhagavan told, hey Arjun,
कर्तव्य पालन करो।
don't lament and just follow your duty, okay?
उठाओ धनुष को, उठाओ, तुम युद्ध करो।
Rise up, take your Gandiv and fight.
धनुष को उठाओ, तुम युद्ध करो।
Rise, like lift your Gandiv and fight. Surrender to me and I'll tell you everything
ऐसा
what to
वास्तव में
do.
सत्य नहीं है।
So this is true.
हैं? स्वयं भगवान हम कहते हैं अर्जुन ने सब कुछ कर दिया।
So we say that Arjun did everything.
महाभारत युद्ध के अंतिम में भी सब अस्फलन करने, अस्फल माने दिग्भगने लगे।
And in the
मैंने
end
इसको मारा, मैंने उसको
of
मारा,
the fights, the war, they were like
भाई को मैंने मारा।
they were like pride, like the Bandha was saying, oh I killed, Bhima was saying, oh I killed 100 brothers of Duryodhan. Arjuna was saying also, they were like
पर्वत के ऊपर जो है
telling about their glories, like oh I did this, I did that, like boasting. You say boast, I think, not boasting themselves, like they were.
वो बता दी।
And then Krishna said, let's go to the top of this hill.
मात्र भगवान
And there was one person who will tell everything, who did everything in this war.
पितामह ऐसे
So
ऐसे
Barbarik was there, and then Barbarik said only Krishna did everything.
स्वयं भगवान रथ को ऐसे
So Bhishma was like throwing such arrows to kill Arjun, to hit Arjun, to pierce Arjun. But Krishna was taking the chariots of Arjuna so swiftly in such a expert manner that all the arrows of Bhishma did not pierce Arjun. Instead, pierced Krishna. So Krishna was all wounded by the arrows of Bhishma Pitamaha, and it was bleeding. Then Bhishma saw this thing and he did some prayers glorifying Krishna, that his chest is full of the kumkum of the gopis and the wounds made by the gopis in this mood. This sloka is in the Bhagavatam.
भगवान सब कुछ करते
So-
हैं, सर्वनियंता भगवान
Lord, he is the one who does everything. Like he is
धर्म की मूल।
the doer of everything, and he's the
इसलिए भगवान अर्जुन की क्या कहा?
also origin of
हे
religion.
अर्जुन,
So God told to Arjun.
इसी का दिया।
So this is the Gita.
अंधकार के विनाश करो, तब
Destroy the
उजालू आएगा।
darkness, then the sun can come. And how to destroy the darkness?
ये दीवार को फाड़ो,
You have to break these walls.
जैसे ही चारों तरफ दीवार।
Suppose there are some walls in a room and everything's closed, and there's some darkness inside this room. So we have to break the
ये
walls. You
दीवार
know.
क्या है?
So what are the
ये
walls?
तुम जो गुरु जो
Is these superiors you're calling like guru or superiors? These people, they are the walls.
दीवार है ये।
They are great walls that are like protecting this darkness. Bhishma Pitamaha, Karna, Dronacharya.
फिर करके रखा है। अंधकार क्या है? ये दुर्योधन दुशासन।
So who is the
अंधकार।
darkness? Is Duryodhana and Dushasana. They are great sinners.
दीवार को तोड़ो।
So you have to break these
दीवार
walls.
को तोड़ना इतना सहज
But it's not so easy to break these walls.
है। दुर्योधन दुशासन
Duryodhana and Dushasana.
है, जो महापाप, पाप की मूर्ति कहा जाता है।
They are the personification of
पाप के
sin.
मूर्त ही प्रकाश कहा जाता है, मूर्तमान कहा जाता
They are personified sin.
है। ये दुर्योधन दुशासन के तुम कैसे वध करोगे?
How can you kill them?
जब तक तुम ये दीवार को जो है माने जब इसको
If you don't break these walls, you'll not be able to
उसके
kill
तोड़ना
them.
तुम्हारे लिए संभव नहीं है, मैं जानता हूँ।
But I don't know, you also can't break these walls. I know, Krishna said. Could you kill Bhishma Pitamaha? He has the Ichamritu Bardhan, like he has the blessing of only dying when he wants. Dronacharya also, he's the guru, he knows, like expert in all weapons and everything. How can you defeat them? Karna also, he has that kundal, that earrings and that armor, kavach. Also, he's so powerful. So,
इसलिए तुम जय की आशा छोड़ दो,
So give up your hope of winning
की आशा छोड़ दो,
and of from, like hope. Give up your hope of winning and also your to get the kingdom. Give up these hopes. Just follow your duty. You have the right to perform karma. I will give the results. So this is what Gita is explaining.
तुम अपने कर्म करो,
Just do your karma, your activities, your duties,
मेरे शरण में आ जाओ,
and surrender to me.
सब कुछ है, ये समझ तो दिखाई, वास्तव में सत्य हुआ ही।
So this is true, really.
कौन पराजित कर सकता?
Who could defeat
भगवान ने
Dronacharya?
ऐसी लीला रचा भी दिया,
And Bhagavan even did that lila.
अश्वत्थामा रण में,
Ashwatthama was
तो ये
killed.
समस्त कथा भी महाभारत में
So all these leelas in the Mahabharata.
तो इसी प्रकार मैंने कहने की तात्पर्य है,
So what I want to say is,
भगवान सर्वसमर्थ होते हुए पर
Bhagavan, he has all, he's capable of everything, but sometimes he does
ऐसे असाध्य
many things through his devotees.
साधन करके दिखाया है। भगवान चाहे कि सब कुछ हो सकता
If
है,
Bhagavan wants, everything will happen.
किंतु उन्होंने किया कि अर्जुन के द्वारा
Still, Krishna did so many things through Arjun to establish the Bhagavad Gita, etc.
भीम के द्वारा जरासंध
Also,
को वध करा,
by Bhim, Krishna killed Jarasandha.
सर्वसमर्थ हुआ।
But he's capable of everything, doing everything actually
ये
himself.
तभी द्वारका में देखो, उद्धव के
Even
साथ
in
भगवान
Dwarka,
कभी-कभी क्या करते
also
हैं?
sometimes Krishna used to
सलाह करते हैं।
take advice from Uddhav in Dwarka.
जो स्वतंत्र सच्चामय पुरुष है,
He is independent, the supreme person, controller of everything.
एक बार
He was asking to Uddhav.
युद्ध कर दिया।
Once Yudhishthira Maharaj, he was going to do the Rajasva Yagna and he sent a letter to Krishna.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthira Maharaj,
राजस्व यज्ञ करने के
he
लिए
wanted to do some
कृष्ण ने
Rajasva
निकाल एक पत्र
Yagna
भेजा।
and he sent some letter to Krishna for that purpose,
हे कृष्ण,
saying, "Hey Krishna, I want to do this fire
राजस्व
sacrifice.
यज्ञ करना है। आप बताइए कब आना चाहते हैं?
Please tell me when you want to
आपके
come,
अनुसार ही हम सब कुछ करेंगे।
because I'll arrange everything according to your desire."
और फिर उसी समय
Then at this moment,
जरासंध के कारागार में जितने राज लोग थे,
all the kings were like caught.
और
They
वो
were
लोग भी
like imprisoned in the
पत्र भेजा।
prison of Jarasandha. They also sent some letter to Krishna.
तो कृष्ण
Sent one letter to Krishna, saying,
Hey,
"Krishna,
Uddhav,
please
तुम
deliver
बताओ,
us."
तुम निर्णय दो।
Then Krishna asked to
क्या
Uddhav,
करना
"Uddhav, what should I do?
ये राजा लोग मरे
You
तो
decide."
अपने कर्म में सब
These
बंधे
kings,
हुए
they are bound according to their own karma. They are
मित्र
suffering
का
there.
हमारे-
Who is really my friend?
Yudhishthir.
It's Yudhishthir. He is my
हैं।
friend.
मित्र के पास तो पहले जाना है।
So we should first go to our friends, isn't
किंतु
it?
उद्धव ने क्या कहा?
But what did Uddhav
नहीं
say?
प्रभु,
No, Prabhu.
पहले
First you
ये
First-
समस्त राजा जो बंदी
First, you should go to all these kings which are who are bound,
जरासंध के वध करा।
who are imprisoned in the prison of Jarasandha. You
इससे
should go
आपको
to
मालूम
them,
पड़ेगा।
and of course, this will give you more honor, more fame. You'll be more famous. Then, when you go to the Rajasuya of Yagya of Yudhishthir,
आधारी हो।
all these kings, they will feel indebted to you, and they will come following you to this fire sacrifice of Yudhishthir Maharaj. And in this way, they will increase your glory. They will increase your fame, your honor.
तो जानते हैं।
Actually, Lord knows everything. He can decide himself, but still,
उद्धव के
we see how Krishna, he asked many things to Uddhav. Actually, Krishna is Sarvantarjami. He knows everything, and he can do everything himself. So this is all Leela. This is Leela of gods, pastimes of
इसलिए
lords,
हम यहीं पर जो पढ़ते जा रहे हैं, देवकी जन्म
pastimes of Godhead.
जदुवर परिषद
So we are in this part of this sloka, Jaduvara Parishad.
द्वारका अथवा मथुरा में
So in Dwarka and Mathura,
परिक्रम में भी
he has also associates there.
और
And
ब्रज में
in Vraja,
गोपों की परिक्रम
the gopis and gopas also are his associates in Braj. And they're friends of him.
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः।
I'll come back to the beginning. I think first 5 minutes I couldn't translate. Uttam, did you get the answer to your question? To that question I asked? What was my question? Did you find the answer to the question? No?
कल हम लोग श्रीमद्
Yesterday,
भागवत से
yesterday we heard from Bhagavatam,
एक श्लोक हम
one shloka
पढ़ रहे थे
we were reading
जिसमें श्रीमद् भागवत दशम स्कंद में
in the 10th canto,
90 अध्याय में
19th chapter, no sorry, 90th chapter of Bhagavatam.
हम कर रहे थे कि जयति जननिवासो देवकी जन्मवादो यदुवर परिषद सोई दुर्भिरस धर्मम स्थिरतर बीजनग्न सुस्मित श्री मुखेन ब्रजपुर वनितांग वर्धन कामदेवम। इस श्लोक के ऊपर हम कुछ काल
So yesterday we were discussing this shloka.
जननिवास अर्थात समस्त जीवों की
Jananivas
हृदय में वास
means
करने वाले
that who lives in the hearts of all the living entities.
वह कृष्ण जययुक्त हो।
So this Krishna, may he be glorious, be victorious.
जो समस्त जीवों के हृदय में
He who is in the hearts of all the living entities.
इसलिए
So
पहली जयति शब्द के द्वारा
so
ही
first is Jayati, the beginning of the shloka, Jayati.
उद्घोषित हो रहा है
It's like announcing or like
क्योंकि
expressing
ग्रंथ
like
की
clearly this,
प्रारंभ में
because just like in the beginning of a book,
कहते हैं आशीर्वाद
so there are three things: Ashirvad,
वस्तु निर्देश और
like blessing, Vastu Nirdesh, establishing the subject of the book, and Namaskar, paying obeisances. So in the same
इस
way,
श्लोक के द्वारा प्रमाणित भी कर रहे हैं।
this shloka is also giving this evidence.
कल हम लोग श्रवण किया
Yesterday we heard
वह कृष्ण जययुक्त हो
that this Krishna, may he be victorious. So Jayati.
और जयति शब्द के द्वारा
Jayati also means that
तो वर्तमान काल की भी
it's talking about the eternal present tense.
क्योंकि भगवान
Because
नित्य
God,
विराजमान है।
he's always present, he's
इस जगत
eternal.
में तीन काल है
So in this world there are three tenses. Which ones?
वर्तमान
Present,
अतीत और भविष्य काल।
past and future tense.
इस जगत में
But in the spiritual world there's only one tense,
उसी का
like time.
नित्य वर्तमान काल।
So Nitya Vartaman Kal is called eternal present time.
क्योंकि चित जगत अपराकृत जगत होने के नाते
Because
वहीं पर भी काल के द्वारा विक्रम नहीं रहता। काल के विक्रम नहीं।
so in the transcendental world there's not this influence of the time as like
इस जगत
here.
में काल के विक्रम हम देखते हैं।
So in this world we see this influence of
सर्वं
time.
कालं कृतं में महाभारत में
In the Mahabharata explains, Bhishma Pitamaha told,
है ये काल ही हमें सब कुछ करा देते हैं।
actually the time makes us do
काल
everything.
हम लोग के मित्र बना देते हैं।
The times make someone friend,
और काल ही
like it makes someone our friend, and also time makes someone, the same person becomes our enemy, isn't it?
ये सबके अनुभव है जीवन में।
So everybody has this feeling, realization. Everybody experiences this in their lives. Everyone.
भले कुछ दिन के बाद भी आ जाए किंतु आएगा।
Like this may happen after many days, but one day will happen. Somebody who it was your friend, then this person becomes your enemy.
आंख में धूल पड़ने
So just like when there's some dust in your eyes,
वो आंख में जैसे
if some dust comes inside your eyes,
दर्द रहता है।
you'll be feeling so much pain and like it will bother you so much. If you don't take that dust out of your heart, your eyes, you know, something coming inside your eyes, you'll become like crazy. Like you need to take this out of your eyes urgently in that moment, you know. So if even a small dust, particle of dust comes inside your eyes,
देखो आप बेचैन हो जाओगे।
you become like so disturbed. Even like your eyes are crying, you know, these tears coming.
रगड़ते जब तक उसको निकाल नहीं दिया जाए।
So if you don't take out that dust, you'll not be peaceful because you need to take that out immediately. So what I want to say is that in this world, our friends and enemies, this is all influenced by the time, like who will be our enemy and who will be our friend.
जी श्रीमद् भागवत में 2 लीलाओं दिखा गया।
So this part, okay,
जिसे कहा
so
जाता है कौन सा लीला?
these were the 5 minutes which were missing in the beginning. Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai.